Hello and welcome back. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. So I'm just working on packing a few orders. I had an issue with an address on one of them that I packed up yesterday. So I'm just getting ready to pack this order up. And then I also had another sticker order come in. So we're also going to pack that up. I really like these craft paper envelopes. I feel like they're sturdier than the just plain white ones. So I haven't had any issues with stickers getting bent up or anything like that. They've held up really well. And I just get them off of Amazon, of course. So today I have to go back to work. So I only have a little bit of time to paint before going. I'll drop these off at the post office. Here's the other order. This is a clear sticker. It just has a white backing behind it. So it ends up looking like this. And here's the other clear one. And the other clear one. I forgot that I had a succulent that's clear as well. So I'm going to paint a little bit before work. I'm waiting on our Chewy order to get here so I can get that put away. And that'll be about it. Not a whole lot happening today. I got yesterday's vlog up. I had it already, I just had to upload it to YouTube. So yeah, that is done. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, we painted this ornament. Look how, this just looks like a sunny, happy place to live, right? So, yes, waiting for that to dry, but the two other ornaments that I'm working on that are the same, they go with that order. So, I need to get those two done so they can go out. What else? I think that's about it. So I'm going to go work on that and wait for our Chewy's order to get here. I also think there's a possibility that my variegated peace lily is getting ready to bloom. I could be wrong. I haven't seen this actually bloom before, but the piece that's coming out, the whole part is white. So it's either a very variegated leaf, which I've only had one other leaf come out completely white, or it's a flower. So that's really exciting. Regardless, even if it's a white leaf, that's pretty neat. So I'll show you guys. Here it is. And it even feels different. I bet that's gonna be a flower. I think we're getting our first flower. That's exciting. The leaves are coming in on this so big. There are some dry ends, but overall this plant is doing really, really well. My prints came in from Abby, so I figured I would open them really quick with you guys. Oh. It helps if I can get the box open. Okay, I got 2 prints from, I guess it was 2 shop updates ago. She just released some new ones, and oh, how cute! It's a little bookmark with her little thank you. Love it. And here are the prints. So I just got 2 5x7s. Oh, this is so pretty. So I got this willow tree. And then I also got this sky landscape. So I think these 2 will look really nice together. Thank you, Abby. I will leave her shop information down below. But if you're interested in these prints, you can go to abbylynnart.com. And be sure to follow her on Instagram because she doesn't have her shop open all the time. So it is currently 2:30 in the morning. You can't tell it's morning with these lights. But for the most part, I am done with this ornament. I just have to add in some of the white detailing. I worked on that when I got home from work. I was just really tired tonight, so I didn't really feel like filming a whole lot. It was just a long day. So I also got the blue background painted for this dog portrait, and I also got the sky painted for this house portrait. So I'm hoping to get some more stuff done in the morning. So I am going to close out the video here, and I will see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.